Pelican Rogue, Traveler, and Protector M's recharge cases, protecting and charging your new Apple iPhone 11 Pro. Many of us have been using Pelican cases for years to protect field gear we travel with and have developed trust with its protective products. Last week, Pelican sent along 3 of its 10 new iPhone 11 Pro cases. The cases offer drop protection, various color options, and improve your ability to hold your iPhone 11 Pro. The iPhone 11 Pro, reviewing coming in a couple of days, is Apple's latest 5.8-inch phone with stainless steel frame, IP68 dust and water resistance, and a heftier battery. It's a gorgeous device with 3 rear cameras, but it is also priced at more than $1,000, so it is prudent to buy a case to help protect it from daily usage. Also, Apple iPhone 11 first impressions, faster, better-looking camera setup, ultra-wide angle is a welcome addition. Over the past week I've tested out the Pelican Rogue, Pelican Traveler, and Pelican Protector Plus M's battery cases and am currently on the road with the Traveler due to a few salient features I'll detail below. The Traveler and Rogue cases are also guaranteed for life. Protector M's recharge. While the iPhone 11 Pro has a battery rating with 4 more hours than last year's iPhone XS, there are still times when you are out in the field, on the road, or away from an outlet and need more power. The new Pelican Protector Plus M's battery case provides you with a shell case with mil STD 810G drop protection and a detachable magnetic battery pack with a 2000 mAh capacity. The M's Easy Mount system is the shell case with magnetic strip inside so that the battery securely attaches to the back of the case. The battery pack charges up your iPhone 11 Pro using Qi wireless charging technology with a rating of up to 40% additional power. There is also a USB-A port so that you can use the battery pack to charge up other devices with the battery. There are well-defined raised buttons for the right side button and 2 volume buttons. An opening in the back of the case lets you use the 3 cameras with no interruption. When the battery is attached, you can still take photos without any blockage. The case is only available in black at a price of $79.99. The area around the cameras is raised a bit to provide protection of the cameras. Even with the battery pack in place, you can still easily hold the iPhone in your hand. Traveler. Of the 3 cases I tested, the Pelican Traveler is my personal favorite. It is available in black and taupe, with the taupe one arriving for me to test out with my midnight green iPhone 11 Pro. A couple of the features that stand out on this case above some others I have tried is the interesting stitch grip along the 3 sides and the raised metal side and volume buttons. Stitched thread provides great texture that helps me hold the iPhone 11 Pro in my hand. The 3 buttons are made of metal and stand out from the taupe material, so I hit the buttons every time. It's actually the best button design I've ever seen on a phone case. The Pelican Traveler is available now for $49.99. The case is constructed as a reinforced 3-layer construction with an awesome soft touch material on the outer case. This makes it feel great in your hand while also preventing it from sliding around on a table or other surface. The sides are raised slightly above the display so you can set it face down and keep the screen off the table. The opening for the ringer switch is also big enough for me to get my fat finger in to toggle between the 2 positions. Rogue. The new Pelican Rogue case is officially available in black and taupe, but I received one with more of a clear, frosted color. This impervious, flexible TPU seems to be one of the most substantial TPU cases I've ever tried out. The cool back texture looks great and also offers excellent protection for your expensive iPhone 11 Pro. It is easy to grip the case and iPhone too. The Pelican Rogue weighs in at only 2.88 ounces, so is an easy way to add drop protection for $24.99. It is also rated to the mil STD 810G drop standards. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.